Top 7 Best Portable Air Compressors 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. This portable air compressor is ultra quiet. Its 68 decibel operation is excellent for a garage or workshop, letting you work without constant loud noise. You get quick recovery with this unit, reaching peak 150 psi and delivering 5 CFM at 40 psi. That's solid performance. It's stable with a heavy-duty steel tank and features wheels for mobility. However, its robust 12-gallon size means it isn't ideal for tight, frequently moved setups. For a reliable, quiet electric air compressor built for longevity, the Stealth SAQ11215 is a top pick. Number 2. Blades change fast, no wrench needed. This DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit offers a quick change accessory system. It's a huge time saver for any project. The brushless motor gives you 57% more runtime than brushed models, perfect for longer jobs. You get precise control too, with its 3-speed selector and dual-grip variable speed trigger. It's a powerful cordless multi-tool. But remember, it's a 20V system. If you're not already in the DEWALT ecosystem, you'll be buying into it. Still, for precision work, it's a solid, versatile option. Number 3. The California Air Tools CAT 4610 AC delivers exceptionally quiet performance. Its 1.0 horsepower motor runs at a low 1680 RPM. That means less noise and wear, extending its lifespan. This 4.6-gallon aluminum twin-tank electric portable air compressor is ideal for quiet workshops or projects where noise is a big factor. Don't expect it for continuous heavy-duty industrial use, though. For a durable, ultra-quiet option, this one's a solid choice. Number 4. Complete accessory kit, zero maintenance. This CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon Pancake air compressor is a great portable option. It's built for homeowners and DIYers needing convenience and quick air. The oil-free pump means no maintenance, and it starts easily in cold weather. You get 150 max PSI and 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI for quick recovery on various jobs. It won't handle large, continuous shop tasks, but for most home projects, this air compressor offers solid performance. Number 5. Extremely portable, the SENCO PC1010 compact air compressor weighs just 20 pounds. It's light, small, and maneuvers easily, perfect for home projects or taking on the go. Design features like non-slip rubber feet and roll cages make it durable and stable, with easy-to-understand controls. However, with its 1-gallon tank and 1/2 horsepower, this isn't for heavy-duty tasks or large air tools. If you need serious, continuous power, look elsewhere. For light, quick jobs where portability is key, it's a solid choice. Number 6. This DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max portable air compressor runs at just 79 dBA. It delivers cordless convenience with corded power, firing up to 1,220 nails per charge. Its brushless motor, oil-free pump, and 1-turn regulator make adjustments fast. At 21.5 pounds with a roll cage, it's job site ready. While the 2.5-gallon tank can limit continuous work, this quiet, powerful air compressor is a solid choice for pros. Number 7. This DEWALT portable air compressor is quiet at 78.5 dBA. That's a game changer for your shop. You get 165 psi from its 6-gallon tank, plus 2.6 SCFM for quick recovery. At just 30 pounds, it's super easy to carry. The oil-free pump is maintenance-free, and dual couplers support 2 users. Its motor handles cold starts well. Just know its 2.6 SCFM might limit continuous heavy use. Thanks for watching Best Portable Air Compressors. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.